Yeah, you have to work, please. Yeah, continue to film.
Replay.
Replay, please. Yes.
Exagérer du comique.
And then you have to take the salt and fais gaffe parce que
Un tout petit peu.
petit peu, oui. Yes. There is a little bit. Yes.
Il n'y a rien qui sort en fait.
Non. Il faut changer peut-être là. Très bien, Barbara. Très bien. Okay, perfect. Bread with tomato. Honey. It's okay, okay. Very good. Salt? A Sicilian salt? Some people eat without salt. It's not very, very important. But...
Like the steaks.
Very, very good. Yes, it's better like this, no? Christina? It's better like this. They're good. Nice. And you too, Piotr. Yes. And oil now.
A lot of oil or just a
No, just what you want. A little bit like this. Here. Yes. Like this. Yes. It depends on you. Yes, for example, it's very good, very good. You're a good cooker. Yeah. Good chef.
And it's from grapes?
It's
or
from
olives?
north.
Olives.
Olive, yes, in Catalan and Empordà, the north of Girona. Very good.
It smells good.
Yeah. Oh, very good, Piotr. Bravo, bravo. They say bravo for you too. Yeah. Very good. Good job. Bravo, Piotr.